morning, Mr. Fox. I'd like to show everyone here what this lunatic was attempting to measure, depicted here. Using a mirror of some sort, he did some magic and gave us a measurement. I'm afraid I haven't remembered everything he said, but here is a video of what his process was supposed to be.
They may call me a fool and a liar for spreading my ideas, but I promise you by the end of this video, you'll be convinced this isn't just some hippie conspiracy. Pictured here is a picture of what you may see to be just some weird kid in some weird tree in the middle of nowhere, but that's just not true. I see two triangles form between these two. You can see these two triangles line up from the ground and meet at the mirror. Now, what if I told you that I can prove that these two triangles are similar, and do it without measuring every angle? In order to do this, I first needed to collect 4 measurements: the length between the kid and the mirror, the length between the tree and the mirror, and the height of the kid from the ground to his eye level. The 4th measurement is of the tree to have comparative proof that my process is in fact correct. The measurements go as follows. The length between the kid and the measurement was 87.5 centimeters. The measurement between the tree and the mirror was 231 centimeters. The height of the kid to eye level was 155 centimeters, and the actual height of the tree was 406.5 centimeters. In order to get the indirect measurements of the tree, you first have to find the proportions between the triangles, or the scale factor, if you will. To get this measurement, you divide the 2 bottom sides of the triangle. Your results will be the proportion of about 2.64. After this, you will take your proportion and multiply it by the vertical side of the left triangle. The resulting measurement will be 409.5 centimeters, or the indirect measurement of the tree. In comparison to our direct measurement of 406.5, that's only a 3 centimeter difference.
Back to you, Mr. Fox.
Thank you, Jeremiah. So there you have it, folks. But is it true? I have a mathematician on the case.
Thank you, Mr. Fox. I know, in explaining the mistakes and assumptions this lunatic made, I will now properly explain that he told us lies, fake news. These are all lies from that hippie man. His measurements rely on the fact that the person looking in the mirror hadn't moved slightly in the process of collecting measurements, and correctly used the mirror without any slight off measurements. Not even this, but he had collected the perfectly correct measurements in the first place. There's so much room for error in the process of collecting measurements. This is because he's using a measuring tool that is much smaller than the actual measurements he collects, meaning that his hands may have moved in the process of collecting data, or else he must have been some kind of alien witch. Finally, he relies on the ground itself to be equal. As we can see in the picture, it's slightly off. And all of these measurements must be exact because of the rules that go along with it. Triangles, similar triangles, rules, right triangles, law of reflection, rules, etc. If any of the measurements are off, the proportions will be off and give the mathematician incorrect side lengths.
Are we live? Well, there you have it, folks. Be sure to stick with us in this mayhem. Is this lunatic as wrong as we say he is? Have a great day, and God bless America.